Hi, my name is Dan. I'm from 1071 and I'm going to show you how to make a dam out of Legos. To start, you're going to need a Lego plate like this. Any size will do. And you're also going to want a couple of random Lego pieces. So the basics of making a dam is you want to have some pieces that will make up the side. And you're also going to want some pieces that will make up the bottom where the water will gather. You can make these dams as easy or as complicated as you would like. If you want to make it more complicated, all you need to do is add some different bricks in the middle to create different passageways for the water. So for older or more experienced kids, they might find it fun to map out where the water is going to go and where it's going to collect fastest. Dams are most commonly used for causing water to pool up in a certain area or to prevent it from flowing to another area. They can also be used to generate electricity. Make sure you have a bin with your dam, otherwise it's going to get messy. Alright, so as you can see, it's mostly pooled up near the bottom. You could also keep pouring to see how long it'll take before the water begins to spill out. So that's how you can teach kids how dams work using Lego. I hope you had fun. Stay tuned for more interesting science projects.